Hello, everyone. Today, I will show you how to back up Evernote notes safely. Losing important notes can be frustrating, and backing them up regularly keeps your data secure. First, use Evernote's export feature. On desktop, select Notebooks or Notes, then click File greater than Export Notes. Save them as ENEX files, which include all content, attachments, and metadata. Step 1. Organize your notes before backup. Group notes into notebooks or stacks. This makes restoring easier if needed. Step 2. Schedule regular backups. You can export notes weekly or monthly. This ensures new notes are always protected. Step 3. Store backups securely. Save ENEX files on cloud storage like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, and also on a local drive. Multiple locations prevent data loss. Step 4. Use third-party backup tools. Apps like Backupery for Evernote automate backups to your preferred storage. This is helpful for large accounts. Step 5. Test your backup. Occasionally import the ENEX file to a test notebook. This confirms everything was saved correctly. Step 6. Keep version history. Maintain multiple backup copies over time. If notes are accidentally deleted or modified, you can restore older versions. So yeah, backing up Evernote notes safely is about organized export, scheduled backups, secure storage, automation, testing, and versioning. Follow these steps and your notes will always be protected. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions.